At Flood Ford, we want to give a special thanks to our community and loyal customers for making us your #1 Ford dealer in Rhode Island. That's why this month, you pay what we pay, minus thousands plus 0% financing. And get a complimentary new bedliner with every F-150 purchase. Shop with peace of mind thanks to our Flood Advantage plan. Plus, Flood Ford has you covered with top value for your trade. Thank you again for making Flood Ford your #1 Rhode Island dealer. Visit us today at floodauto.com.